Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage maximum power limit in Samsung Induction Hob NZ. So in the first step, turn off your device and keep it turned off. Then hold the pause button for 3 seconds to enable the child lock. After that, hold this and this heating area for 3 seconds and hold the timer for 3 seconds. As you can see, now we have the power limitation, so we can manage it with the pause button. There we have a 7400, 3000, 4000, and after that just wait or press the turn off to apply the settings. Now the power limitation is 3000 watts. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like and a comment, and goodbye.